Hello there and welcome to Year 3 English, and this is a story on Boudicca. So let's read this together. It was almost nightfall. The three men had travelled a long way and were glad to sit down next to the fire and have some food. They stopped talking and stood up when the flap of the tent opened and a tall woman with long tawny hair emerged. The firelight flickered across her face, and it lit up the ornate gold necklace that she wore. They could see she was very angry. She jammed the spear she was carrying into the soft brown earth and said harshly, "So the rumors are true. The Romans are on the march, destroying our towns, stealing our animals, and burning our crops." The man nearest to her nodded. "I have sent messages to rally the warriors. In 3 days' time, the whole of the Iceni tribe will gather here to await your instructions, Queen Boudicca." The queen brushed her hair away from her face with a sweep of her hand. "You have done well, Govan. At dawn tomorrow, we will draw up battle plans and assess our weapons. Now get some sleep," she said. She picked up the spear and turned to leave. "Your Majesty," said a man whose face was hidden in the shadows, "the battle will be fierce. You should take your daughters and flee to the mountains. You will be safe there." Queen Boudicca spun around and hurled the spear towards him. It shivered through the air and landed at his feet. "How dare you?" she shrieked. "I am the queen of the Icenis. I will not run away. I will lead my men into battle and I will win." The man spoke again. "But what about your daughters? Why put them in danger? Let me lead them to safety. You think only saving your own skin? The girls will be at my side," she snapped, and turning sharply, she marched back to her tent, and she flung aside the leather flap. Two girls jumped out of her way. It was clear that they had been listening, and the look of terror on their faces was something Govan would never forget. Queen Boudicca was a very famous, brave warrior in her time, and she had many battles against the Romans. So read this text again. You've got some follow-up questions based on this text. And good luck with these, and we will follow these up in our next class in much more detail. Thank you.